5 migraine relief tips that actually work. You wake up fine, and by noon the pounding starts. The lights hurt, sounds feel sharp, and all you want is a dark room. Migraines don't just ruin days, they ruin routines. But here are 5 things you can do daily to stop them before they start. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Most people with migraines don't drink enough water. Even mild dehydration can trigger pain. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters daily. Start your morning with a full glass before anything else. Tip 2. Eat balanced meals on time. Skipping meals or eating processed foods can cause blood sugar crashes, and that's a major trigger. Focus on whole foods, healthy fats, and protein with every meal. And don't wait until you're starving to eat. Tip 3. Fix your sleep pattern. Your brain loves routine. If you sleep in late on weekends or stay up scrolling till 2 a.m., migraines will find you. Set a regular bedtime and wake up time, even on days off. It helps regulate your nervous system. Tip 4. Control screen and light exposure. Blue light from phones, laptops, and overhead lights overstimulates your brain. Use a blue light filter. Take breaks every 20 minutes and wear tinted glasses if needed, especially in harsh lighting. Tip 5. Manage daily stress. Stress is one of the biggest migraine triggers. 5 minutes of deep breathing, journaling, or even stepping outside can lower cortisol levels and calm your brain. Small changes lead to real relief. Try these 5 tips for 1 week and notice how your body responds. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more simple health tips that work.